welcome back to my channel. How's everybody doing today? I hope you're doing fabulous today. So today we're gonna start decorating for Christmas. Yay! I'm so excited. So I hope you guys get motivated and feeling that Christmas holiday spirit that I love. Alright guys, so let's get started.
Alright guys, so pretty much I've got this done. Besides the Christmas tree and the fireplace area, I give you guys a little tour of my living room. I just thought it was so cute. Cute little pillows, especially this one. It's so adorable. I couldn't resist it, and I think it was the last one. I got that at home, and actually I got I got that one at home, this one, and that one at home. The store called At Home. And also that basket that came perfect and handy. I love the color of it. It's kind of small. I think I need a little bigger one, but that's gonna work for now. I just try to make my home feel very cozy, very welcoming, and just to chill out, along with the Christmas tree and my fireplace area that I absolutely love. I ended up putting little lights, LED lights on the bottom here, and they're so cute. Oh, my hair's in the way. Okay, there we go. So yeah, I put a little LED lights, and then I put it inside the little houses, the little town here that I invented. The little reindeer town, I guess it's gonna be called. I really love how everything came out, and I love how this thing, you guys, has lights on. It's so cute. I love it. It's so like relaxing and just so chill and beautiful. Alright, so I ended up decorating our new TV stand, guys, that I love. It came with lights. Well, you have to attach them, but I thought it was so cute, so adorable. Awesome for storage, for movies and games and stuff. Hopefully there's enough space. These trees here, they're so cute. I actually found one at Burlington, and I found the other one at Ross. But yeah, it was so random and so cute. I already had all this stuff except that snowflake. At home I had it. These two are new, and this is also new. I wasn't sure where to put it, so I think that came out pretty good here. I kind of want to put LED lights as well here, but the cabinet itself has lights, so I don't know. I think that's actually better. Alright guys, this is my dining table. I'm still trying to play around with it. I'm still not sure if I want all of this there still. Trying to figure out
how I want it, because I kind of do like it like this, but I don't know yet. My table now comes with 6 chairs, and I have 4 of these. I can't remember where I bought these. I think I got these at home last year, so I'm gonna try and see if they still have some at home, and hopefully they do. But then I don't want to get any because you won't be able to see the cute little trees on the side, so I think I'm just gonna leave it as is. I actually put the garland in the middle and it looks so pretty. Sorry, I kicked the box. It looks so pretty, but I feel it's gonna be in the way of us, you know, when we're eating and stuff. But I don't know, that's why I'm still playing with it and see if I want to leave it on the table or not. But yeah, I love it. And then this little guy I love as well. It's so cute. I didn't know what to do with this, so I just took some of these ornaments out of my hurricane in the middle of the table. But yeah, so far I love this little area here. I just love every area to feel homey and just season holiday-ish feeling. I missed to show you guys this cute little sign. I actually bought it to put it outside by the door. I have like a little corner that will go perfect in there, but I got scared that people might steal it, so I just left it in the house, which I think it looks so cute there anyway. I forgot I had my blue ornaments, and I feel like the tree looks much better, and I feel like the colors stand out a little more, and that blue just helps a lot. And then I ended up putting the letters on our stockings, which look so cute. Now they need to be filled. Can you tell I love Christmas? Oh my god, it's beautiful. I love it. I love Christmas, guys. I'm gonna take out this lipstick that I wore from ColourPop, and it felt really nice, and I actually forgot I had it. My lips looking really choppy right now. Anyways, so yeah guys, sorry I haven't really talked to you all today. This is actually the second day. Yesterday we started putting the Christmas tree up, but one of the lights on the top-ish wasn't really working, so I had to add some lights. So I had to go to the store and buy some lights for my tree. And I actually went around to see which one needed to be fixed, and none of them, surprisingly. Basically I couldn't find the one that wasn't working, so that was weird. I am so tired. My feet hurt. But I want to get everything done. Like once I start something, I want to finish it, even if it's like 6 in the morning. Just knowing that I'll be able to sleep good because I finished it. I kind of figured I have more stuff to do here than what I did in my old place, because there's a little more space here. Like right now I'm pretty much done decorating, maybe. I'm still trying to debating to do my kitchen, decorate my kitchen. I kind of bought like little decorations for my kitchen. I want to say chicken. Can you tell I'm tired? I bought like little birds. They're so cute. They have like little scarves of like Christmas colors and stuff. And I have like the dollar store trees, you know, those shimmery ones that come out every year. I wanted to make it feel very welcoming and just very peaceful and homey, you know what I mean. I also want to do my stairs, the railings. I always wanted to do that on stairs. Like it looks so pretty. So I found some garlands at the dollar store that I want to put on the stair railings. I was actually surprised it was perfect size for my railings here at the stairs. But they're like naked. They don't have decoration or anything, just plain old green. So I kind of bought some stuff for that to put little things here and there on the garland, so it won't look too plain, not just with lights, you know what I mean. I was just thinking of just leaving them with lights and just the garland itself, but I kind of want to put, you know, little things and stuff. I bought little acorns and like little cherries or whatever. But yeah, I have the upstairs has 2 railings and the downstairs has 1 railing, I think. So I have those to do tomorrow. And then I have my balconies. I have 2 balconies, as you know. I have the downstairs balcony and the upstairs balcony that I want to put lights on it. Kind of wanted to put garlands on there too, but nobody's really gonna see them, only in the daytime, and in the daytime you can't put the lights on. So I think I'm just gonna put the lights on the balcony, and then I gotta put my decoration on my door. That I actually have to look for the hook that I bought for, you know, the door hook. I need to look for it. I don't know where it is. I kind of know where it is, but I'm not sure. That's pretty much it, just about. I hope you guys got inspired. I hope you're in the holiday spirit with all these Christmas lights and decorations and pillows and throw blankets. Excuse this dry lips that I need to clean out, and this oily skin as well. I've had my makeup since 8 in the morning today, so it's been a long day. Good night, because it's really late. It's actually 1:30 in the morning right now, and I'm so tired. I've been up since like 6:30. I've been up for like 12 hours, right? Has it been 12 hours? Yeah. And I hope you guys enjoyed this decorating around the house with me. Alright guys, so have a great night. I hope you guys enjoyed this video again, and I love you. And Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and get in the holiday spirit. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up because this pillow is so cute. And don't forget, what makes you different makes you beautiful. Bye loves.